Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called find the smallest number in the list. So it says create a function that takes a list of numbers and returns the smallest number in the list. So as you can see, the name of the function find smallest num. Inside we have a list. So as you can see 34, 15, 88, and 2. So the smallest number is going to be 2, so it returns 2. And in this list, the smallest number is going to be negative 345. And in this list, the smallest number is going to be negative 76. And in this list is going to be negative 0.9999. And in this one, it has just one number repeating, so it's going to return 7 since it's the smallest number. There's no other bigger number than 7 and no smaller number than 7. So it's going to return 7. So let's go to the code tab. There's different ways you can solve this. Okay, so as you can see, the name of the list is LST, so it's short for list. And the name of the function, find smallest num. So what you can do is we can return using the function min and just putting the name of the list inside, and that will give us the smallest element in the list. So as you can see, it passed all the tests. But we can also do is use a for loop that's going to iterate throughout the list and find the smallest element and return the smallest element. So what we're going to have to do first is we're going to have to initialize a variable. We're going to name it smallest. And we're going to start with the first element in the list. So as you can see, to find the first element of a list, you put the name of the list, and in brackets you put 0 because 0 is the first index of a list. It always starts at 0. And from there on, we're going to do a for loop. So for I in list, if I smaller than smallest. So this is what it means. So if the element that we are going through is smaller than smallest, we're going to replace it. We're going to replace smallest with the new element that is smaller than the smallest. Okay, so so this is how we show that. So again, so we're going through the for loop. We initialize the variable smallest to the first element. And let's see examples. So as you can see, so let's say we start over 34. And the next one is smaller, 15 is smaller than 34. So this one is going to replace the previous number that we had, 34. So this one becomes the smallest. And then we go to 88. 88 is bigger than 15, so we don't replace it. And then we go to the last element of the list. As you can see, 2 is the smallest in there, and it's definitely smaller than 15, so we're going to replace it. We're going to replace the variable smallest to 2, and then we return that variable, and it's going to be 2. So then that's what we did. And then we're just going to return smallest. And it should work. As you can see, it passed all the tests. If you want more coding solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.